In this video, I'll show you how to create validation rules for objects in Salesforce so you can protect data quality and enforce consistent processes. Start by clicking the gear icon and opening Setup, then use the Quick Find box to navigate to Object Manager. Select the object you want to work with, such as account, opportunity, or a custom object, and choose Validation Rules from the left panel. Click New to define your rule, give it a clear name and description, and then build the error condition formula. The formula should return true when you want to block the record from saving, using logical functions and field references that match your business requirements. Write a concise, user-friendly error message that explains exactly what needs to be corrected. After saving, test with sample records to confirm it behaves as expected. Subscribe for more practical Salesforce tutorials and admin tips.